Here's how to generate AI images in ChatGPT. The first thing you want to do is launch open ChatGPT on your device. You can easily download this from Play Store or App Store. Now log into your account. You can only generate AI images if you have been logged into the account. Now tap on this box and then go ahead and type in your prompt. I'm going to type in generate the image of Eiffel Tower in the middle of the city. Now go ahead and tap on this arrow icon. Now generating image takes time, so you will have to wait. As you can see, after some time, the image has been created. Now, if you want to make any changes, you can simply enter the changes in the prompts over here. If you're happy with the result, you can simply download it. To download, tap on the image. Now, you have the option of save. Go ahead and select that. Now this image will be successfully saved in your gallery, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.